Hey guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to give you a look at this beautiful area rug. It did arrive tightly folded, so let's get it opened and take a look at it. Naturally, there are going to be some creases and folds, so you can simply let this lie flat and allow it a few days to relax, or you can help speed it up by doing a reverse fold on the creases and letting that sit for a bit. Or you can weigh it down with something heavy and flat and just give that some time, or it can even be gently steamed as well. Now this rug is crazy soft and so lovely on the feet. It's made up of a high density faux wool polyester and simply feels marvelous. And it has a nice stitched edge, making it stronger and more durable. Plus, because of its short fibers, it's going to make cleaning and care super easy. It can be vacuumed daily to quickly get rid of dirt or hair, but it is also machine washable for whenever it needs a deeper cleaning. Just make sure to do a cold, gentle cycle with mild detergent and then hang to dry. The bottom of the rug is made of a TPE material and has a great gripping effect. Even when trying to forcefully push the rug by hand, it doesn't slide around. Everything about this rug is wonderful, from its beautiful modern design that would easily fit many styles and a range of different rooms. It is incredibly comfortable and enjoyable to be on, and it's going to be a breeze to care for. So if you were searching for a new rug, this is an amazing option and I would highly recommend it.